In this video, I'm going to show you how to send instant video messages on WhatsApp. And this is quite easy. Now, if you do not find the option, you can go to your Apple Store or Google Play Store to update WhatsApp. Once you have WhatsApp updated, open WhatsApp and then go to the group or the conversation you want to send instant video message into. Once you've opened the group, in the message section where you see your camera, now tap and hold down on the camera icon and this should pop up. You can hold down to record your message or slide up to lock it in, and then you can use it without your hands. You can stop the recording, and then if you're satisfied with the recording, you can tap on the green check mark to send your recording. This is not going to be in the square or rectangular shape video. Also, you can slide to the right to cancel your recording, and then you can also alternate your cameras. So that's how to send instant video messages on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in my next video.